Hello everybody in the writing lab. I'm sorry that I can't be with you physically in person, but I am caught in a quarantine right now. I'm totally fine, but through an exposure, I have to be home for the next 10 days. So anyway, I just wanted to walk you through the steps of how to do conferencing because I'll be teaching our class through a conference. And so I'm asking that you bring to class each time your iPad, unlike normal. We are going to be using the iPad during the time that I'm gone. And you'll also need some kind of earphones, okay? Some kind of earbuds or earpods or something of that nature that you could plug in and listen to what the lecture is for that day. Okay, so first and foremost, I just want to point out to you that we'll be doing all of our conferencing on the icon that says Schoology on the web, not the Schoology that you use for submitting homework assignments or things like that, but this one. So it's really imperative that you use this one. Okay, guys? So let's say you click on that, and then you'll go to our class period, whatever that happens to be. Okay, and you'll see over here on the left-hand side a whole bunch of messages. You would like to click on the one that says conferences. Okay, this is how you'll get access to the lecture for the day. So click on conferences, and then the thing you'll see is something like this. Let's say that our first conference is going to be on Thursday. So you will click on that. And then you'll be given an option as to whether or not you're going to use your microphone or you're just listening only. For right now, we'll hit listen only, because I will individually unmute each student if she or he has a question. Okay, so let's put listen only when you're getting into the conference. Okay, and then right that, it'll ask you if it could have permission to play the audio, which of course you want, because otherwise you're not going to hear what the lesson's going to be. And then your final screen should look something like this. Welcome to the big blue button, okay? This is what it will look like. And you will see, I'll be able to write on here, and you'll be able to see the information that we're doing and anything like that. So it's really important that you go through the steps and that you view it before you come to class so that you're comfortable with what's going to happen when we're together, okay? Hopefully that makes sense to you, and email me if you have any questions or if you hit any glitches. Thanks so much, everyone.